Hello and welcome. This is Guptesh Rao. I'll be sharing a new software for the benefit of maths and science teachers as well as college teachers. They can use it for bettering themselves and offer it to the students as such. It contains a lot of features as I'll be showing you some of the features. Okay, I'm now sharing the screen so that you will be knowing what is in store for you. Yeah, here you go. Now, this is the blank space where you need to type out the equation. For example, I'll be showing a three-dimensional graph, how it can be plotted and how uh, you can make the object rotate about the x-axis or the y-axis or the z-axis. So I'll be taking a simple equation such as x square plus y square is equal to 9. Say for example, okay. Now I need to click x, I have to type and then square it, x square plus y square, yeah, is equal to 9, right? Now here you see there is enter. Just click enter. You got the solved equation. And here you have one provision of solution getting in steps. Solution steps. If you want the solution steps, you can get it. Suppose that this is one click I give and you got the solution steps. How it has come out. Now I will close it. Okay. Now here you see this equation is solved for x. You can also solve it for y. Here there is the provision. Just click it. You get the equation solved for y. See, it's miraculous that at the click of a button you are getting the solution, including the steps. Any equation which you are unable to solve can be solved using this. Now the most interesting part is you can you can create a 3D, you can plot a 3D graph. Now here there is one option, plot this equation in 3D. So just click it. You got the cylinder. Yeah, this is the equation which we have. This is the solution of the equation that is plotted in in 3 dimensions. X square plus y square is equal to 9. Now you see on the left hand side here, you can zoom in to give a better picture or zoom out, simple. Now here you have rotation option. So